my name is RosauraRomero, and I'm coming from the States, but I was born in El Salvador, so I'm a bit of a very already international to be coming to Sardinia. I'm graduated from Masters in Architecture and Urbanism, but I'm looking to take more interest into the social aspect and how multidisciplinary parties can come together and many actors can actually take part in the new way that our field in urbanism is moving. And so what really attracted me to Eterotopia was actually the fact that they're working as a network practice already. And that's something that I'm already researching on my own and looking to do a PhD study about. And basically what it means is that Eterotopia itself is already making this network of multiple offices coming internationally, like to basically focus on one problem or multiple problems, but on a territory itself and with multiple knowledges and coming together with a shared vision and common platform, which is this place and the way things are to be processed from this workshop. And so it's really interesting actually, because this framework opens the possibilities for a lot of things to be discussed, and awareness is actually being opened to a bigger network and bigger debates actually, for it to be not national but international debates about what's to happen there. And so that's actually the first thing that attracted me. And the second thing that attracted me is the fact that they're searching for this new economy, which is really interesting because that's also the next step of urbanism, of designing places for this new economy. And actually we're having this shift from post-industrial economy, and so what's the future about with that? And we're moving to an informational age, a knowledge-based age. There's multiple theories that talk about this. But they're basically saying that there's this rise of this new economy, which is called a creative economy. And so we're part of this creative class, which is now becoming how cities develop, and we're becoming a bigger part, and we're taking bigger actions into what's being innovated. And so it's really interesting that that they're looking into what this new economy can be for the island, and for me, I believe that this innovative creative class can have a big role onto what this new economy can be. And so already starting with Eterotopia and this network of multiple offices coming together, that's a great start actually to open up the multiple disciplines and multiple knowledges to come together to create something new there and open the new possibilities to be born. And so the theme that actually interests me the most is creating these spaces for this new community to be hosted. And what are these spaces looking like, and what are the possibilities of the local community also relating with this new community that would revitalize the island and bring this new economy as a creative class. And so Tabula Rasa is a space for this new community, and this project, this workshop, is about prototyping and bringing ideas and bringing awareness of what these spaces could be. And for me, I believe they could be incubators for this new creative class, to open it up for the multidisciplinaries to come together and create and innovate technologically, engineering, arts, science, and even like architecture itself is already doing that by coming to the island. And so by taking this stance, we're cultivating this new source and bringing this new resource for social, cultural, and economic value for La Magdalena. And so I believe the creation of these spaces, they need to be places where the disciplines are able to interact with each other, and there's this crossing between them, and then the design practices themselves can already show that, and they already do by the start of this workshop. And so that's really what's interested to me, the fact that coming there, we need to start also looking into how to make this place the place to be. So place making also a big part of the process, and how to really use and highlight the physical, cultural, and social identities that are already placed on the island, and evaluate the new ones that need to be added in order to host this new creative class, which would bring the new economy to it. So the most important step, which is already being done, is this short-term experimentations and the continuation of them, and the hosting for this new community, for the experimentation to continue, and to try out these flexible infrastructures, which will actually host a programmation which would allow this community to develop, and then a light development to continue afterwards, in order for this to continue growing and have a continuance after the workshop event. And so I'm interested into learning about these interactions and the process of what this entails. And I hope to see you there and be able to help out.